Hello everyone. Today we will start a new topic, that is types of acceleration. So basically there are two types of acceleration. First one is our centripetal acceleration, which is also known as radial acceleration. So in this acceleration, what happens whenever there is a circular uh, motion of any link, like if let it be a link, if it rotates uh, with an angular velocity of omega, then there will be two types of acceleration will be acted. First one is centripetal acceleration. Acceleration is acted towards the center, or you can say it is acted towards the radius. So this is represented by AC. And other acceleration which we come across is tangential acceleration, means it will be perpendicular to the link. So this direction we will get AC, and in the other direction which is tangential we will get tangential acceleration. So what we will say is that tangential acceleration is directed along the radius. So the formula for tangents centripetal acceleration is given by v square by r. So v square by r, as we know, v is equal to omega r. So omega r whole square by r, which is equal to omega square r square by r, which is equal to AC is equal to omega square r. So this is the formula of centripetal acceleration. Second one which we come across is tangential acceleration. So this body will rotate in a circular motion. So the tangential acceleration is the perpendicular to uh, centripetal acceleration, and it is a measure of how a tangential velocity changes. So its formula is at. It is written as at, and its formula is given by alpha. As we know, alpha is known as alpha, which we known as angular acceleration. So at is given by r alpha. So this is the formula of at. Now next we will see about a topic of how to draw a velocity diagram. Means velocity diagram of any link. So let this be a link, and this be a 2 points A and B. So if it is fixed, and let it rotate with angular velocity omega. So if you we have studied before relative velocity. If we have to find the velocity at this point B with respect to A, then we will write it as V BA, means velocity of B with respect to A. So this omega is given. So what we will do is that, as we know that velocity will be always perpendicular, that is tangential to the provided link. So it should be perpendicular in nature. So it is represented by VBA. So VBA, as we know that velocity is equal to omega r. So here if VBA is given, then omega is provided, omega, and r is the link AB. So this is how we get B equal to omega AB. If there is another point, let be C, then what will be the velocity of C with respect to a omega AC. Now we will draw the velocity diagram. As we know that point A is fixed, so, and it is making 90 degree with the link. So what will we do? We'll let it be a point which is represented by a small a, which will be represented by small a, and it will be this is the direction of our velocity. So we will move it to this point, and we will move this to this point, and we will see this is the direction of, this will be the direction. So it is known as velocity diagram for this link AB or at point B. For if you want to know about for C, so what will be the direction? This would be direction which is perpendicular to it. So what will be similarly here, what will be, it will be a small c. This will be the velocity diagram. So what we will do, we will take the ratio here. If we have to find like VB by VCA. So VBA is given by omega AB, and this is given by omega AC. Here omega cancels and it comes across VB by AC. This is the ratio. Also we can represent it as AC here. AB is represented as A small b and AC as A small c. In this manner we make use of our